Sony Bravia Theater 9 Soundbar. Main features are Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 model HT-A9000 is Sony's 2024 flagship single soundbar, succeeding the Sony HT-A7000. It is an all-in-one system featuring 13 speakers and 4 passive radiators designed to deliver an immersive cinematic experience through phantom speakers and spatial mapping. 360-degree spatial sound mapping. This technology creates phantom speakers that reflect sound off walls and ceilings to simulate a 7.1.2 channel surround field. From just the soundbar. Sound field optimization. Automatically calibrates audio based on your room's unique acoustics and your specific listening position using the Bravia Connect app. Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. Supports industry-standard 3D audio formats and is IMAX Enhanced certified with compatible rear speakers and sub. Voice Zoom 3. An AI-powered dialogue enhancer that recognizes and amplifies human voices to ensure clear speech even during loud action scenes. HDMI 2.1 support.